everyone, Max of Tucker USA. Today we're going to be going over the Tucker DI tank kit. This kit ships in 4 packages. The first package is 1 cubic foot of mixed bed virgin DI resin. The second is the Tucker DI tank itself. The third is the 150 foot hose reel. And the fourth is the Tucker Bravo pole and all components inside of it. Inside the pole box, you will find 100 feet of pole tubing, 5/16 out of diameter, 1 dual trim nylon brush with 2 pencil jets, an insertable Acme tip for traditional tools and equipment on your pole, and the new version 2 of the Tucker reach around gooseneck with the quick connect shaft. Inside the reel box, you will also find a 5-foot jumper length garden hose to complete the connection between your reel and the tank. In this video, the DI media is already installed in the tank. We do have a different resource on how to install your cubic foot of DI resin into the tank. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect all the components given and get this kit ready for cleaning windows. I'm going to start by setting up my pole. I have a Bravo pole here. I have my 100 feet of 5/16 red diameter, outer diameter pole hose. On this pole hose, one side is going to have a female garden hose to push to fit fitting 5/16 quick connect. I'm just going to take this off and set it to the side for now. I'm going to lay my pole hose on the ground, take one section, about a foot of it, and from the bottom of my pole, I'm going to go up towards the top out of the clamps. Installing the tubing, you might have it catch on the telescoped sections inside of the pole. You can just pull it in and out and twist it until you clear those sections. You also might have the same problem coming out of the number 1 clamp at the end, where it may get caught there. In this case, I'm stuck on the number 1 section, so I'm going to lower myself to the pole tip. I'm going to try and get that section of hose to come out of the number 1. I'm going to pull a little bit of slack out of the number 1 section. I'm going to loosen the clamp. I'm going to grab my quick release gooseneck. On the bottom of the shaft, there is a hole there. I'm going to push the hose up the hole and out of the top of the shaft. After that, I'm going to insert the gooseneck into the clamp. There is a notch on the back side of the shaft here that is meant to go between the 2 sections that the lever of the clamp pulls together. I'm going to install it all the way in. I can then tighten the clamp if necessary with the red knob and pull the lever over the top to secure the gooseneck in place. After that, I'm going to grab my dual trim nylon brush. Make sure these 2 hose sections to the jets are disconnected. And on the Euro thread of the gooseneck, I'm going to insert my brush. I'm going to tighten my brush until it is firm, not rotating left to right, but also not over tight. Once that's done, I'm going to connect the 2 hoses to the jets with the extra tail of hose I got from the 100 feet. I'm going to insert it into the push to fit. I'm going to pull the slack out from the bottom. Now I have this brush ready for use. On the other end of the hose, where we pulled off the quick connect piece, I'm going to keep this set to the side. On the male outlet of my hose reel, I'm going to connect this quick connect. Simple as threading it on. Once that's on tight, I'm going to push my pole hose into the quick connect fitting, completing that connection. This quick connect does have a ball valve on it to control water flow to the jets, so you can turn the water on and off or reduce pressure instead of walking all the way to the water source, wherever that may be on the house. Next, I have the 5-foot jumper section of garden hose. This is simply because the tail off the side of the reel cannot quite reach the outlet of the tank. So with this included section, you'll get to complete the connection and then some to move the reel a little bit farther away from the tank. I'm simply going to connect the female to the male outlet, and vice versa, the male outlet to the female inlet on the reel. Once this connection is made, the last step and the only thing you'll need is a section of garden hose to run from the water source of the house to the inlet of your tank. Once that's done, this whole system is set up and ready for cleaning windows. And this has been the Tucker DI tank system.